Hello friends, I am N. Arunadhan of 7th A Demonstration School, Mysore. Today, I am going to demonstrate Activity 8.5 of Chapter 8, 7th Standard Science, CBSE. The materials required for this activity are beakers, boiling tube, balloon, hot water and cold water. First, take a boiling tube and stretch a balloon over neck of the boiling tube. If needed, you can use sellotape. Next, pour some hot water in a beaker and insert the boiling tube with balloon in the hot water. Observe for 2 to 3 minutes for any change in shape of the balloon. What did you observe? The balloon got inflated. Can you guess why the balloon got inflated when kept in the hot water? Now take the tube out. Let it cool down to the room temperature. After that, take some ice cold water in another beaker. And place the tube with balloon in cold water for 2 to 3 minutes. Observe the change in shape of the balloon. What did you observe? Now the balloon got deflated. Can you guess why the balloon got deflated when kept in the cold water? Can we infer from the first observation that air expands on heating? Yes, air expands on heating. Can you now state what happens to the air in the boiling tube when it cools down? Yes, air condenses when it cools down. From this activity, we conclude that air expands on heating and air condenses when it cools down. Thank you.